In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove unwanted emails, Klaviyo. The goal here is to stop specific email addresses from receiving any future messages from your account by adding them to your suppression list. This is helpful if you have a list of contacts you should not email, such as people who requested to stop, invalid addresses, or contacts you want to exclude from marketing. To begin, log into your Klaviyo account and look to the left-hand navigation menu. Click Audience, and then click Profiles. This area is where Klaviyo stores your contacts, along with key details like email address and engagement history. Next, find and click Suppress Profile. This option is used to prevent certain profiles from receiving emails. Suppression is different from simply removing someone from a list, because a suppressed profile is blocked across your account, which helps avoid accidental sends later. After selecting the suppression option, click Suppressed Profiles. This takes you to the section where you can review who is currently suppressed and add more. It is a good habit to check this page occasionally, so you understand which contacts are blocked, and to confirm that your suppression actions are being applied correctly. Now you will upload a CSV file containing the unwanted email addresses. Make sure your CSV is clean and simple. It should include a column that contains the email values, and each row should represent one email address you want to suppress. Before uploading, it helps to remove extra spaces and confirm there are no obvious typos, because an incorrect email entry will not suppress the right profile. Once the file is uploaded, Klaviyo will ask you to map the columns. Map the email column to the correct field so the system knows which values are email addresses. Take a moment here, because accurate mapping is what ensures the suppression works properly. Finally, click Suppress Profiles to confirm. Klaviyo will process the upload and add those emails to your suppressed list. After it completes, you can remain on the Suppress Profiles page to verify the entries appear as expected. And that is all there is to it.